Okay, hello guys, for those who are watching the rediffusion of the stream. So let me share on X and stuff that we are currently live. Well, let's see what we get here. Hey guys, how are you? How are you guys? Did you guys have a nice weekend? Let's see what we have here. Actually, I wanted to take a long, but yeah. Closing this entry. So basically, I was taking this with the VIP Discord. Why do I? Okay, I don't know why it doesn't appear, but basically I was taking a scalp long here at current price, but I prefer to wait. I prefer to wait, honestly. Yo, crypto market mine. No, closed it. Hey, Kevin. No, I'm waiting. Spot is kind of accumulating, but we are still under daily VWAP and weekly VWAP. Order book depth ratio is still low. They removed the orders here, the bids. This can break down, honestly. Looks a bit heavy. I'm not really confident in going long here still. So yeah, yo ZXCT, how are you? Did you guys watch the vlog? Did you enjoy it? First time doing this. But one thing also is that usually when we have perp CVD and perp imbalance going to lows here, we bottom. See here. So yeah. Well, here it took time to bottom, and we also have like more bids than asked. When is the? It's Wednesday. Wednesday we have the FOMC. Don't take it the risk of opening a long at the moment. Yeah, that's a good thing. Better wait, I think. It's better to wait. I will do more, but I need to do some travel or things like that. A bit tired, sorry guys, and I need to do some stuff later. So I will make just a quick streams for those willing to join here. I will make also the plan of the week. What do you think about Ethereum? I'm short right now for it. Nice. What is your short entry on Ethereum? Looking at 130k to go long. Yeah, structure still doesn't look good. I wanted to long, but I closed it actually. So yeah, not worth it. Hey bro, how are you? Nice entry actually. Let's see. Let me load my Ethereum. Well, regarding Ethereum, we are still on the daily VWAP, so let's see. We have a single pin here that will probably get filled, but yeah, I think that we can even go retest these levels, guys. We can even go retest previous look point of control here. We have a polo here, so I don't know. Maybe we do some shit like that. There we go, and then we go up. I don't know. Maybe. What are your thoughts? The thing is, I hope for a pump into the FOMC, then pump into the news, which is normally good news if I'm right, and then dump the news. Well, actually, I don't know if you guys remember, but last year, in September, we had a FOMC. They decreased the rates, and everyone was like, "Oh, each pricing is going to dump," and we pumped. So yeah, and yeah, same thing. It's Monday, so kind of complicated. Yeah, I saw also that EZ chart longed it. He's usually good conference though. So yeah, kind of fading him now, but don't know. I think I have his notifications basically. Yeah, see. He longed here at like, well, actually he's on entry now. His stops are wide. I think we can go even around his stops and still bounce, but like his stops are wide usually. But yeah, he's a good one. He always has good ideas. Been loving your question recently. Out of interest, do you ever swing stocks like Tesla? Yeah. Is there a reason? I prefer to do crypto more because I don't know. I was used to trade crypto since I started. But yeah, I do like long-term investment on crypto, but on stocks. Sorry. I do long-term investment on stocks. For example, during the tariff correction, I bought a lot of S&P, basically. But yeah. Regarding stocks, it's more long-term or swings. By the way, do you guys have any good crypto platform where we can trade stocks with cryptos and USDT? That could be nice, or even buy them and own them. It's not looking good, huh? Yeah, it's not looking good. Sorry, checking a bit the chart and stuff. Hey Alex, how are you? Ethereum is stronger than BT right now. Well, I don't really think so. From the highs, we dumped 2% on BTC, and we dumped how much? Almost 6% on Ethereum. So Ethereum is weaker actually, and we don't have any interesting levels to beat it. While on BTC, on the weekly profile, well, it's complicated because actually the POC of BTC is here. So it's it's really bearish. You can see it here. The POC is here on the TPO. While the POC on the, maybe let me, TPO weekly, volume profile, up, let's add it. While the TPO, no, same. The POC on the volume profile is also here. So yeah, that's the level you want to flip. And also current week value area high. So that's the level, 115k 800. As long as we don't flip it, for me we can retest those levels here. Okay, even take that week maybe. Something like this could be interesting. So let's see if we can, and under this, basically under 112k, for me this is over. That was just a clean retest, but I would really like to get a retest of the POC. What do you think about LQTY? I don't trade those guys, not gonna lie, but yeah, under the profile, overextended, so might bounce, but I guess those coins also depends on BTC. Let me check on the daily. On the daily, under the daily trend, still overextended. We have liquidity here, might take it. I don't see anything that is bullish here, honestly. Maybe you can have this, but I don't know. I would prefer to get this week lower. Thanks for the vlog. Can we follow? What do you mean follow what? By the way, guys, we are at 835 subscribers. 30 actually, sorry. Soon we will be at 1k, so thanks a lot. And the last videos also made almost 500 views, so that's cool. Thanks a lot. Starting to increase the community. So gonna post way more. I need to post like three videos a week. You're welcome, Trad Media. Now let's get back to BTC. Let's see. Yeah, total same. Like they trying to push here, but we are still above the trend. What you don't want to lose is this. S&P also is just making new highs and new highs and new highs. But that's one of the reasons why I can't be that bullish right now. And same like USDT dominance compressing in between those things. I don't know which one will break out, but will be big. Tau, nice one. Maybe a good retest to go up, but if we fail to, looks like kind of compression. We can do that honestly on Tau. CRV same, under the daily trend weakening. Hype is still strong above the trend. Solana, we almost reached this level, which would have been a perfect short entry. I will put some alarms maybe if we can have some, but for now still above the daily trend. Ethereum still above the daily trend, same thing, and above this. That's the level you want to bid, basically, above 50 MA. If we lose it, I feel like we can get some discounts around like 3k 800. Bitcoin Euro, same plan for me. We can have something like that maybe in the future. So let's see what we get, guys. But yeah, for now rejecting so far. That was a great close on the VIP Discord. Close it entry before we basically break down. Solo was so pumped. Yes, yeah, it was very pumpy. But lots of shorts also. Have you any swing long on alt? No, I'm flat on altcoin, guys. I don't have any alts now. I like sold everything a few weeks ago. Like I'm still fully in USDT. Having a YouTube is hard, don't you think? What do you mean it's hard? In which ways it's hard? Like for the hate, or like for having to post often? Closing shorts, yeah, that's a great level. Actually, that's basically where I would like to get long, around these levels. So yeah, like, what's your entry again on the short? Now let's see if we can hold here, but we still have some shorts entering. How to maintain and grind? Yeah, well, it's a confluence. If you can maintain it and post, you will be able to grind. But sometimes even if you maintain it and you keep posting, you won't be able to grind because you won't get a lot of followers. But that's how it is. And I think all the big YouTubers started with 0 followers. You never start with 1 million. Or maybe yes, if your parents are famous, because it's not always, yeah, it's exactly. But I'm not doing this just to blow up. It's also because I have already this little community, so I'm happy to share it with you guys. Wait, where is the giveaway, bro? I already did the giveaway. You guys can see here that I did the giveaway. Where is it? I did the giveaway here on the last one. CEO Burke won. He needs to DM me still. If he doesn't DM me in the next 2 days, I will change the winner and will be another one. But yeah, and now there's a new giveaway. So $100 to 2 people in my vlog. So you just need to go to my pinned tweets and just comment the video, follow, and make a like. I was doing it for 3 years and gave up, now been 3 years. Oh shit, what content were you posting? Business, trading, or was it gaming? I also had a gaming channel when I was younger. I did over 1 million views, and also I had like 8k followers, something like this. It was like Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, some shit like that. So I was already grinding since I was young, you can say. 1 billion leaks here. Waiting. This will come soon, I think. I think we'll have another 1 billion or 2 billion liquidation day this month. I need to grow up my bankroll. Sorry, Axolo. The winner is a draw. I made the draw with a website. Maybe next one you will win, but I can't choose the winner. It has to be a draw. That's how a giveaway works. Well, no strengths at all. Huh? Will you relong if we get some bonds? I don't think so. I don't think. Maybe I can relong, like if we don't do that, but we go here and we retest those levels from higher, okay? And we have the daily VWAP maybe tomorrow or Wednesday under the price, and the weekly VWAP under the price, and we retest them to go higher. But I don't want to force along here with the daily VWAP above the price. Like, this doesn't make sense at all. So I prefer to wait. We can literally break down like that. I did memes and stuff and got 20k subscriber and so many connections. Oh, so why did you stop? Dark correction every... Yes, I know, bro, but I can't do that. I can't do that. So that's basically... That could be a nice plan, but... Don't think so. Monday range still developing, still under the 15 minutes trend. Hey Aniket, how are you? Let's go. We have some perp imbalance on Ethereum. For me, this could be a long to these single prints, like a scalp long. This is maybe why BTC will hold a little bit, though. Like retest this single print is slow and then go back, something like this, and grind lower. That's a level you want to keep an eye on, this single print basically. So let's see, but like, yeah, BTC just look too weak, guys. Yo crétin, comment ça va crétin? How is my crétin? Do you think in the new... What do you think? Do you think in the new narrative robotics, bro? What do you mean by robotics? Like crypto narrative about robots? I didn't saw it. Do you have like a project in mind? 113k 400 is a better short to long in my opinion. What about you, bro? Hey Damien. Yes. Lower. The best spot to long actually will be retest of this value area high and this value area low, okay? And maybe like these levels here. Basically 113k to like mid 112k. Also confluence with those levels right here. The 1000 for the yearly view up that is here. Peak for robotic. Oh, we are breaking down. Yeah, let me... No, I just want to see what it is. The pin and matching economy. C'est quoi le pic? Ah, okay, it's like... it's RWA. Okay. Make the whole market pump, please. Yes. Hopefully. Soon. Ah, yeah, see, Ethereum, it's not a good long here. We're still on the daily VWAP, but for me, we can retest the single print and the daily VWAP. Around the same level. That could be a scalp long actually. Not taking it, but like some shit like that. But like the risk reward is not worth it. Like yeah, you have to risk like some shit like this, but yeah. Confluence with like the daily VWAP. Could be. But we don't have like that much short. Buy market with the whole size, please. I will make the market pump with this, sorry. Ah oui, putain. Dégoûté. I could have bought peak before everyone. But I didn't because I'm an asshole. And I bought other shit project that never came out. So I just lost money with pre-sales. Sad. But still. So let's see. It's sad because I don't have that much time to trade today. I need to go soon. And the market is doing nothing. Like, come on, bro. Do something. Sorry. But I think that... it could be slowly today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, but until Wednesday, and basically move for FOMC. I think this makes sense, kinda, to like be shit until the FOMC. I don't know if you guys are in a position. Is anyone trading? I saw that there are some people short. Okay, let me put the pump song. By the way, guys, in October I'm going to Dubai, going to have a fucking huge house. We're going to make great content, great streams, so that's gonna be nice. I lived in Dubai, I can say Habibi. I think FOMC will be sell the news type thing. I'm not sure. Fake pump and then pump. Yeah, possibly. I also think the same, that we topped for a few months. But I don't know. BTC and Falcon long. Okay, you're long 114k 500. Yalla Habibi, BTC and Falcon long. Kushwal is expecting move till 93. What you think? Kushwal, you mean Kush in my Discord? Or someone else? Ah yeah, Kush. Oh, let's see. Why did he posted that? Oh. Yeah, I do agree. I agree that we get those. The best time to trade in Q4, I think it's November. November, December is always prime. Always the best. Or from end of October, I would say, from past experience. But yeah, I agree. Huh? If you dezoom, guys, we have lots of single prints to fill. Gonna fill those for sure. 103k, 4k. I think it's a matter of time. I think in September we fill them, basically. Well, still 2 weeks to go, so it might be harsh. But October maximum we fill this. But I think that we do take those, like 98s. We'll even take 90s, honestly, or that big POC here. I know a guy trading with like hundreds of millions. Well, not hundreds of millions, almost 100 mil. He's very good. Like, he basically nailed most of the big swings, and he basically swing shorted 133k, and his stop loss is entry now, and his target is like here, 70, no, even lower, 78k, something like this. So that's that's a nice one. Even Dr. Profit is bearish. Yes, but Dr. Profit is bad. Who's Josh? Je suis d'accord, donc yeah, possibly. This possibly goes down also in next week. For me, this is the key level. If we flip 120.21, we don't go back to those levels for a long time. But if we are not able to flip this, even with FOMC, this looks bad, guys. So yeah, I will be careful personally. I will be careful. But let's see if today we can have that. Oh, Ethereum is still weak, huh? I'm not in this trade, by the way. Huh? It's just an idea that I don't take. I would rather wait for the short. But yeah, BTC need to flip that. Eventually, it goes retest those levels. Or even here, we have the weekend, not the singer, bad joke. But the POC is here in the value area highs. So this level essentially is a resistance. We also have a fair value gap here. So that could be a nice short. Maybe we can have something like this on the lower time frame. Maybe. I don't think we take the highs first, but yeah, we can possibly have like a pump toward those levels. Could be a nice one. So let's see. Same 1 hour looks like it's one. You see those wicks like that, wicks. 35 minutes to go. So maybe we just close down, huh? And I shut my mouth. But usually those little wicks means that price wants to push higher. So let's see. Josh, non, c'est pas lui. Enfin, pourquoi tu dis son prénom? I see BT will go down to 130k. Yeah, everyone is having that level actually. Like, you're like the 5th guy in the stream telling me this level. I don't know where you guys found this level and why everyone is talking about it. But maybe everyone is talking about it, so we will just spam. Oh, already rejecting. Do you want mine now? What you're guessing about FOMC buy or sell? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not going to guess. I'm not going to guess because if I try to guess, I will maybe try to stick to my bias. I prefer to wait FOMC to act accordingly, honestly. Oof, we had a little week down on Ethereum, so maybe that was it. Maybe that was it on Ethereum. Actually, I'm tempted to try it on the copy trading. We're currently at 135k. If we risk 0.5%, let's say, of the account, we need to long 17 Ethereum. Wow, it already bounced, motherfucker. Well, let's see. I took it on the copy trading, guys. Let's see. Didn't get the best entry. Well, actually, the entry is here. So, like, that's the setup. But, like, the idea was here. So, let's see. And let's see if BTC can just bounce also. Low time frame, huh? I'm just looking for a daily VWAP retest here. Not higher. And fill the gap here. And for BTC, same thing. I will like a retest of the daily VWAP. And that's it also. Something interesting is that we had, we can see it here. We have a single print on the weekly, on the monthly profile right there, okay? We didn't fill it already. We're going to fill it for sure. So I don't think this is the bottom. Maybe we fill out half of the week here, 115k 900, which is also equivalent to this gap. So we have some confluences in some levels. So maybe we can have, or maybe something like this. I don't know. Let's see. But basically, this level is very interesting and lower. And regarding Ethereum, well, you will trade automatically after FOMC, or you will trade day after. I will trade the FOMC day, I think. Wednesday. I think it's like 6 p.m. my time. So I will stream. We probably will stream it. And let's see. Let's see even on fucking Polymarket. I don't have the VPN shit. Okay, I'm logged out. Cool. Fed decision in September. See 25% BPS decrease. 90%. So that's what will happen, I think. Well, it's not the same as, actually that could be a nice trade, because Nah, they won't. They won't decrease by 50 bps. There's no way. Maybe they do no changes. Right on the news, I don't know. No, I think I will wait for a week. I wait for the week and I will enter market. Whatever the market gives me. But no, I will wait. I won't enter blindly. No way. So I don't know what you guys think. Could be a nice one. Bet on a like higher thing, like 1k into 11k. That's huge. Basically, I risk 2 or 3k per trade. So if I risk 3k, I can 10x my shit. That's huge. That's worth it. There's also this that I want to do on the Ballon d'Or winner. Like Ousmane Dembele not winning it. 1k you can 5x it. That's interesting also. And also if you guys want to call UEFA Champions League winner, Barcelona, 10k on it. That's a free 50k. That is a free 50k. No, Vitinha ain't winning it, I think. And World Cup winner, I think Spain is, yeah. For me, Spain, they just like smash everyone. I think that Spain will win. And what's the volume on that? Yeah, the volume is low as fuck, bro. Well, you can 5x your shit also. So yeah, let's see. How is it looking? Rejecting, man. Whoosh. Well, this doesn't want to go to TP. Portugal, not Spain. I really think that you are a French Portuguese, or am I wrong? Yeah, it's hard right now for Bitsy, huh? Compressing hard under this. Just PhD fan, yeah. Well, the worst fans in the world. Joking. Fan, not really, but. Vito, Nuno, Neves. Yeah, they have a good team, but Spain have a better team, bro. Even if they won the National League, for me that means shit. It's not. That's like a... Well, Ethereum is basically down only. So I'm down $300 on the 100k to 1 million challenge. Well, that's all right. The risk is 0.5%, so that's like $700. Let's see how it goes. Maybe we just correct into FOMC and we just bounce for FOMC. I don't know, honestly. But what I know is that this is where I want to go long if I can get the entry. If not, I will just wait. Oops. Why is it like that? Yeah, the daily candle on BTC is nasty, yeah. Honestly. It's looking pretty bad. We have gap. Do we have a gap here? Yeah, we do have one here also. That's nice confluence. See here, here to like here. That's a gap right there. That's the level everyone was giving. Also daily trend. So yeah, for me we can do some shit like that on the daily. Then, because for me that's the top. Okay. So yeah, basically some shit like that. I don't know what you guys think. Let's see, maybe the golden ratio in basically the P cycle. We have an important level here. That is the P level here and here. Okay, basically 0.5 and golden ratio. You can see it here at those levels. That's the 0.5. That's the golden ratio, and that's the 0.5. Always good levels. For me, makes sense to take it. Probably a retest like that. See, we've been above since the bottom, basically. Since we flipped that, we never lost it. Since March 2023, above, retest, gave you this retest free again. We long this, and we also long this. This gave me two perfect entries for free. So that was great. Maybe it will give me one last, but I don't know. Like here. If it gives me again one, that will be insane. But will the market be that kind with me? I don't know. So maybe when we do that, we just go down, or that's the end of the cycle. But for me, the end of the cycle will be here, or we test here, or that was that. It's all speculation, honestly. So I don't know. Let's see. BTC bouncing. Okay, go for it. Go for it, baby. What we really need here on the low time frame is flip daily POC and the low time frame trend. If we can flip that, good. If we don't, bad. Simply. Actually, I'm tempted to try this. Like if I risk that again, that's a 0.5 risk here on Ethereum. So just risking $500 again. Let's see. Trying a little scalp. I'm ready to lose 1% basically of the account on that one. That's a bit over trading. Honestly, that's a bit over trading because like there's no clear setup here. I might even like just cut the one here if we go break, if we retested entry, the one we took here, and just hold that one. So I risk 500 but with a better entry. So let's see. Let's see. I don't want to go. Why it doesn't show my setup? Oh, okay. Still. I mean it's okay. Sorry. Okay. Well, give it to me, baby. Actually, on the copy trading, my average entry on BTC is 114K5 here. I did took a little, and I long 2 BTC, so that's the risk. 0.5% also on BTC. So basically I'm risking 1% on both trades. So let's see if we can get it. For you lose 1% is 1K. on this account. Account is at 130k. It's the copy trading on Bluffin. It's public basically, guys. It is public. The links. Just use my link, my Bluffin link, bro. Just use my Bluffin link. Maybe I can have copy trading. Bluffin. Because this will open the bluffin.com. Let's go bluffin.com. You go to copy trading, all traders. You look for Dieguito. You have me here, and then basically that's the account. Restarted it properly 30 days ago, so we are up like 30% roughly. If we look at the 30-day statistics, we took 169 trades, a lot, 125 wins. So where's the win rate? You don't have it? Well, but what's good is the Calmar ratio that is positive, Sortino ratio positive, the Sharpe ratio of 3.39, which is huge, honestly. So yeah, that's great. So now let's see, BTC looks like it wants to focus again. Well, on the 15 minute, honestly, I don't really want to hold that shit. I don't really want to hold that shit. It still looks like shit. Can you be profitable with a 25% win rate? Of course. Of course. See that. Just give me a moment. Let's ask ChatGPT. Can you be profitable with 25% win rate? Give me data for 0.5% risk, 1, 2, and 3% per trade with 0.5 risk risk reward setups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 and 10. You'll see. By the way, thanks for the support, guys. We are very close to 100 to 1K followers on YouTube. That's insane. You got to okay, where is it? Right here. No, sorry. Okay, so okay, look. So here's the breakdown for 25% win rate across a different risk ratio and risk per trade. Okay, so expectancy, the R is basically oh no, that's something else. But basically the expectancy is your average R multiple per trade. That's what he say. So here you will see for 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 risk reward setup, and basically 25% win, 25% win rate, sorry, and this risk per trade. So for example, if you risk, and do samples of 10 trades, 25, 50, and 100. Well, still looks like shit for now. Simulated trade sequences. Let's see. By the way, guys, if you have any chart requests or whatever, let me know. Well, I don't know why it's not working. Anna and WLD. Yeah. Let me check this for you. Do you plan to open swing long if we have a minus 15% dump on all the market after FOMC? Yeah, for sure. I have many levels that I keep an eye on and that I have alarms on some alts, and for example Ethereum I would like to buy sub 4k, BTC sub 100k, etc. Okay, so basically with a 25% win rate you can be profitable, but only if you average a risk ratio above 3, or here on a Monte Carlo suite. You know what, fuck what he's saying. No, that was for the video. That was for the miniature. Compounded growth. Okay, here. So let's do with 30%, okay? So that's... are you in the Ethereum long? No, I closed it, personally. I think this looks like it wants to go. But I closed it, I'm flat. I'm fully flat now, guys. I'm fully flat. So yeah, basically here you can see that, for example, if you risk 1% per trade and you have a 30% win rate, you can see here the ratio, and you can see that you are negative with 0.5% risk and a risk per trade of 2, 1.5, 1. So in order to be profitable with a... Yeah, you can't actually. It looks like you can't. With the numbers I ran. Oh yeah, you can. If you risk 2% per trade and your risk reward ratio is 3, okay? with a 30% strategy win rate. On 10 trades, you will make 2%. On 25 trades, you will make 5.1%. On 50 trades, you will make 10%. On 100 trade, you will make 22%, basically. But this is like if your 30% win rate strategy is respected within those trades. So this gives you an idea. But for example, if you have an 80% win rate strategy with a 3 risk reward ratio, I would like to see your strategy because this doesn't exist. Basically, this like doesn't exist. I think for a strategy with a risk reward ratio of 3, yeah, the maximum of the win rate might be around 30% ish, 30-40%. Like hitting full 3 risk reward every trade when you make a win. I think the win rate is pretty low for this. While personally, I prefer to have a high win rate, but trade with risk reward ratio of 1.5, 1, or maximum 2. For example, this kind of trade of 4, I usually don't take them, but I could really take, for example, this, like some shit like that. Okay, wide stops, I risk 1%, and I make 1.5% if I win, basically. This kind of thing. Okay, looks like it wants to go a bit higher, so let's see. Personally, on Ethereum, would make sense to retest daily view up, even if we like are kind of feigning it since this morning. But I really want to see the single prints. On BTC, I would like to see daily view up retest, but for now, nothing. Nothing. It's looking pretty bad. Under weekly POC, previous week POC, lots of multi-week POC. We only have those weeks POC that we are above, but that's the support for me. So we are kind of stuck in this range. Flip this, go here. Lose this, go here. But if we lose that, there's like nothing under. Okay, we're going for that. So let's say maybe if we merge left all those levels, yeah, see, that will kind of be the POC. Okay, that maybe I can TPO volume profile, remove it. Okay, that will be it for me. That makes sense. Fucking 104k. Like, we have so much confidence on that one. So yeah, for me, lose that and go to this level. Okay, I don't think we break down under this easy, but oh, it's pumping. BTC more than Ethereum, but it is bouncing. Let's see. So let's see what we have, guys. For now, it's still the same thing, huh? Oh, Ethereum is bouncing. Absolute cinema. Guess what? I closed the long on the copy. But yeah. No, I didn't want it to to be in a position, honestly. A bit tired. Oh, we have another Wenger blue signal here. But yeah, looks like he wants to squeeze, huh? Let's see. How's the 1 hour looking? Yeah, same thing. That's a temporary bounce for me. Feel this, but we're going lower. Eventually we can get this retest later this week. Would be great. BTC looks like it wants to bounce. Don't know if you guys caught it or no. What do we think here actually? For me, this really could retest this. Same as Ethereum here. But Ethereum could pump heavy. Oof. I'm a space cowboy. No way, I take that. What do you mean? Already over? I think we can retest daily VWAP, honestly, and take this here. Let's see the liquidity. I can't count that. How is it looking? Wow, we still have some lower. They did put a lot of orders here. For a lot. 21 million. Why it's not working? The crazy thing on Ethereum but can happen. That's not a swing, bro. That's a scalp. But yeah, I'm not confident on that, honestly. We just closed the 1 hour actually with a wick. So cool push, but just under the POC here. Still under the trend. Yeah, that can bounce, but like again, like will be better to long above those levels or lower. So for now I'm passing and I'm just waiting a little bit. So yeah, so just wait for tomorrow. So now guys, I'm fully flat. Didn't trade today. Took some trades but didn't make good profits. Basically nothing. No losses, no profits. So yeah. Oh well, I paid maybe $500 in fees for opening and closing the position, but that's my break even. So yeah, that's the problem also when you start to have big size, is that when you open and close a trade you pay so much fees. And just like now I paid, you guys can see, I paid lots of fees. For example here on this thing, don't know if it's updated, let me update it here. And it will update it here. Normally we had me a loss. ISE fucking loss. Well, 285, that's what I paid in fees, because basically you can see that it's closed entry. Okay, little scalp long. So yeah, you have the stats here, everything. Basically, yeah, I kind of faded my entries. I had a nice entry on Ethereum, 5k 640, close it at 5k 4k 508. So like, I shorted. Oh yeah, I shorted. 641, 592. I shorted here. I closed it here. Could have made way more profit, but still, profit is profit, so that's a good thing. So yeah guys, if you guys don't have any more questions, let me know. Make sure to subscribe, okay, so you guys don't miss the next streams. Also, if you are willing, if you guys want to try to win the contest, the draw, there's a draw actually on my X, in order to gain $100 for 2 people. So just go here into my pinned tweets, and I'm giving away $100. Make sure to comment, subscribe, like on YouTube. You just click here, you go to this YouTube video, like, and you comment, and that's it. So let me know. All those people will be able to win maybe $100. So if you guys want to win it, just check this. And yeah, see you guys in the next stream. So tomorrow, I think I'm not sure I will stream, but for the FOMC, I will stream 100%. And if I don't stream tomorrow, I will make a YouTube video for sure tomorrow night. Probably the plan before FOMC. So let's see. So like, what will FOMC do to Bitcoin? Something like this. So yeah, thanks for the stream. See you guys in a few days or tomorrow. And yeah, have a good one. Bye bye.